Yeah.
So the class was very informative. I was able to learn quite a lot of things, and yeah, I had some basic knowledge. I was for the past 2 weeks I was looking at some YouTube videos and all, but there was many wrong information. So it was very helpful.
How did you come understand that this is wrong information exactly?
Like this, yeah, just like one example you just told me, like that environmental, that one question, like um, previously I had to like read the whole passage and form an idea, but now you just told me that like in the circular format you can easily go into the topic and understand what actually needs to be written.
Great, Savan. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Brief intro of IELTS exam. Even though you have started with both academic and general training, then later when all of us revealed you that we all are attending IELTS academic, then you have focused on academic instructions, and you were explaining about how we have to attend listening, reading. When you talk about reading session, not only the reading session, when you talk about each sessions, sir, you are giving us very clearly how many minutes or how many time each session is occupied, and you are giving us a brief notes about each thing, especially for speaking session. You have told us there will be 3 parts, and for writing session there are 2 parts, and the first task should be 17 to 20 minutes, and later remaining time we can save for the second part. And sir, you have given us a question also yesterday, and there had at last doubt clearing session. And once we talk about today, you have told us what we should not do. Mainly I have written those things with my red pen. Those are: don't write answers at first in the question paper. Directly we have to write in the answer sheet. Really, it was so helpful, sir. And the second one you have given us: don't write more than required words. Suppose if we are asked not more than 2 words or 3 words, we have to stick on it. We should not go behind. And sir, you were giving us some more I mean ideas, like we have to focus the question instruction. We have to be we have to keep our eyes, our eyes should scan only for the keywords instead of reading all the paragraph. Just before my Sabin, I hope his name is Sabin, how he said, the same way we should not go for uh, reading all the sessions instead, or all the paragraphs. Instead we have to focus on each keywords. Then really, sir, which I have written, even though I have forgotten yesterday's question, I have asked you today to give me one question, then you have given another question. Based on that, I don't know whether how is it correct or not, but I have understood one thing. Actually, when I was thinking to ask you one doubt, as if I'm getting a chance to ask the doubts, sir, you have given us the main point in the middle, and different sub topics around. Even though there are 4 topics we got, sir, you have taken all the subtopic from the question itself.
Yes.
Really, it was so impressive, sir, so interesting. And the same I wanted to ask you today also. Even though we have given 5 questions, we have to take our subtopics from the question itself. Is it, sir? It means
Yes.
we should not want to go to outside. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
sir. Thank you. I
Thank
think
you. Thank you very much.
these are the.
Yeah. About the class started since yesterday. I listen everything clearly. You told everything about the exams, like all the modules and the rules and regulations that we will follow in the exam, and the vocabularies and the introductions and informations all about the exams, and which one we will do and we will not do during the exam. Is very helpful for me. And some doubts I cleared, and some informations like it's very clear for me now. Don't seem like before. And
What was that? How many months of training did you undergo before? Just before the session?
1 month.
1 month. Okay.
Yeah,
And
10
what did you
days.
gain? What you gained in 1 month, it seems you have gained in 2 days, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So you are going to gain more. Be with me. That is what I request. If you are really with us, and the whole team will help you out in each and every aspect, because your writing will be very good. I assure you that your speaking is going to be changed altogether. But I want your support. I want the assignments that are committed here to be done on a regular basis. So if moment you do it, you will see the change. I guarantee. Within 1 week, I assure you, within 1 week, Ganesh, Jafar, Sabin, Sony, and the others who are going to come will feel a change, and I am assured of that. Because within 2 days, if you start with the step one, you will not at least lag. So make sure that you are dealing with it right. Okay. Yeah. Anything that you could want to add, Sony?
Nothing actually. Almost I think all the informations I got. That's why I don't have even any doubts about these classes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.